What's up, everybody? It's Bryant, back for another video. Sorry I haven't been here or haven't posted anything in a while. Had some issues with the Honda. My alternator, the ground wire, pretty much it was the end piece that you have to put on, and then you put the bolt on, or the nut. I didn't know that the connector at the end was broke underneath the wire. So I went and got a used alternator, and it wasn't firing at the right voltage. Then I went and bought a brand new one. It wasn't firing at the right voltage. I kept having problems with it. Couldn't drive it. Finally found out that wire was broke, or the little connector piece was broke. So I got it fixed. Pretty much put everything back in together, and it's firing the way that it should be now. Everything's riding good. But the car looks totally different than what you guys remember. I haven't videoed any of the things that I've done, simply because I don't have that great of a camera, and I don't know. I'm trying to get better with it. I'm still kind of nervous with all of this stuff. I'm trying to get used to everything, which I will get better with time. You just gotta keep going with it, you know. But this is the Honda. And what I've done, I mean, obviously you can see the hood, roof, and then the trunk is all white. I've gone around, I've changed all the suspension. I've got teen suspension on. It dropped the Honda from stock suspension, it dropped it 1.5 inches, or they say online and in the directions on the that come in the box, it says 1.5 inches. If you ask me, I think it did it a little bit more. I mean, I can fit that much of my hand in there. So it's riding good. I'm not scraping. I had some wheel spacers on the back that were scraping, so I had to take those off, and I left some small ones on, so they are kind of cambered a little bit. But I just wanted to make this video to show you guys, you know, how everything's going and everything. I do plan on coming out with a lot more content soon. I've got big plans for this car. Trying to get everything together to make a custom wide body kit, and, you know, through this company and all that. Sorry, it's a little cold out here and rainy. But like I said, I do plan on trying to get a custom wide body kit for it. I'm gonna go hella wide with the wheels, like super stance. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I actually went to a car show yesterday. It was the first car show of the season, and got a couple videos of that, so I hope you guys enjoy. The BRZ. actual Nismo rims. And this right hand.